Welcome to this video about WinGet and especially WinGet Upgrade. WinGet Upgrade is probably my absolute favorite command. It's only 2 words, WinGet Upgrade, and you get to see all the software that needs to be upgraded. And then with just a few parameters, you can upgrade all your software with just 1 line of command. That's perfect if you're helping relatives or friends that say, hey, you seem to know a bit about IT, can you help me? You just run this 1 command and you know at least they have the latest version of all software. So WinGet Upgrade, love it. So let's dive into it now. Okay, so let's start a terminal. You could start a CMD or a PowerShell. Actually, it's going to be a PowerShell. Shift right click to run as administrator. Because we're gonna upgrade, we need the power. I'll maximize this one. I'm gonna go to the root. I'm gonna do CLS to clean. So if we run WinGet Upgrade, it's actually gonna start to look what software can be upgraded. I want to do a little slash dash question mark so we can speak a bit about these parameters we can use. So if you have followed my previous video about WinGet install, you will recognize a lot of these. But I always write WinGet Upgrade, but I think it's actually WinGet Update. And you can type WinGet Update, that's an alias, both work. So you probably see me more write Upgrade, but Update, I actually prefer that name. Then you can again, as we have done in previous videos, you search ID and use that. But when you run WinGet Upgrade, you see the ID of what's already installed to update. You can update from an older version to a newer, but not the latest, if you specify a version. I don't see the use of that. Of course, there's always going to be a case where that is useful, but I nearly never specify -v. I always want to the latest. If it's old, I keep the old. And let's see what else. The -e or -- exact, that's in order to specify with ID or name. We're definitely gonna show my favorite one, this one, -- or -r recursive. That means you will upgrade all the packages. That's excellent if you help the people with their machines. You just run that command and update. We're gonna do that. But let's start just by running a normal WinGet Upgrade or update. It's not going to do anything. I mean, it's going to show us something, but it's not going to upgrade anything. So now it's going through my device and finding all the software that can be upgraded. This is the version it has. So for example, Notepad++, I'm on 8.7.4. This is what is the latest. So if we wanted to just to upgrade this one, we could do WinGet Upgrade or update, and then do -- for E for exact, -- for the ID, and the beauty here, we have the ID. I don't have to type it. So we can update Notepad++, do copy here, paste. This is the simplest. You can add -- silent and a lot of other switches, but yes, we're going to upgrade a lot of these software. So if we run this, it's fine. Sometimes it's fail because it says, hey, Notepad++ was installed by another technique. For example, this one is downloaded with an exe. Maybe it was installed with MSI. But if we get there, we're going to show that. If not, I'm just going to speak about it. So that was pretty quick, right, to update Notepad++. No download, no going to the program. You could do this scripted. And when I run it first time, we had 13 upgrade available. If we rerun WinGet, I'll do update this time, but upgrade is the real command, but this is the alias. It should say 12, right, because we just updated one. Yep, 12. So we can, let's WinGet upgrade one more. We do the same, we do -- ID. Let's do putty, next on the list. This time we do it silent. So -- silent, and we let it run. Those are fairly small. This one failed because it needed to uninstall. Let's see if we can get to fix this. I mean, we could run a cheating and do a WinGet uninstall, but let's see if we can do it with a WinGet upgrade. We do -- question mark. There is parameter uninstall previous. Let's see if that works. I don't know actually. It should work, right? But I haven't tested this. So we don't do it silent now because I want to see if there's an error. So let's say uninstall previous and then upgrade. See if it works. Maybe it failed again. Yep, it's the uninstaller failed. So no good commercial for this one. Let's see if we can do it with WinGet uninstall and then do dash ID, and let's put the putty here. Up. Let's see if that works. Probably that's going to fail too. Yeah, okay, so that is the problem. So it will not work to update the putty with this one. So we can do another script who's not WinGet to uninstall putty, but for some reason, yeah, this one is no good. I'll do one more. I think there's a force, but I don't think that's going to work. Oh, it is nothing called force. Yeah, but if you do 2 dash. No, it doesn't want. Okay, we'll let that one be. Good to show that it doesn't always work. Chrome probably gonna work. So we can do a WinGet again upgrade dash E for exact ID dash ID, and we take Google Chrome. Oh, I can type that. Don't have to be that lazy. And we can add the flag who didn't help us, but uninstall previous. So it's gonna uninstall and then install the new one. It's not needed for Google Chrome. We could have done it without, but let's run this anyway. So it's starting the uninstall and then it's doing the install. Again, bad example. We'll see if we get another one who maybe doesn't work. Yeah, Google Chrome is a bit bigger software than the other we tried. Okay, cool. So now if we do WinGet Upgrade, now we have only 11. So far the putty one didn't work so good. Let's go back to WinGet Upgrade dash question mark. See, I keep the best one for the last, dash all. Really like that one. Yes, if you run this scripted, it's probably a good idea to add these two, because if it's the first time you run WinGet on a machine who never had it before, it's gonna ask for those. It's gonna ask the user yes or no, and if you run it totally silent. So we can do a longer command, WinGet Upgrade, just to see which one we take. Let's update Brave, the browser. Yeah, that one's really after. So we do WinGet Upgrade dash E dash ID. Well, I can type that one as well, right? Oh, maybe brave.brave, and it's case sensitive because we have said exact. Let's do it silent, because we imagine this is a script you just want to send out with maybe Microsoft Intune or any other tool you might be using. And then we add accept agreements for source and for package. So, because if you would run it without and the machine haven't accepted the source agreement, the script's going to stay there and wait for a yes. And that's never going to happen if you run silent with system. So let's see if this works. WinGet Upgrade Brave. It's downloading the exe file. It's silent, meaning that you still see in the command prompt, but you don't get this installer box, progress bar and all that. That worked good. Okay, WinGet Upgrade. Let's see, now we should be down to 10, right? Yep. So still putty there. Didn't work. We'll see what we can do about that. Yeah, that bothers me. Let me see if install works. WinGet, I don't think so. Install ID and then put it is fun. It's not even camel case, right? It's some sort of. Let's see how this goes. Install. Does it always have to? It tried to uninstall first. Okay, I'll leave that. WinGet upgrade. Let's go back. So we still have our 10. I'm hesitating to do all now, and it's going to try first with put in fail, but all the rest. Just verify we don't have something else we want to do before we help. Uninstall previous didn't work in this case. Recursive, yes. Accept agreement, we did. Skip dependency. That could be installer type. We have spoken in other videos. No, I think we are good. Let's do my favorite one. So WinGet Upgrade -- all. So when you visit someone who say, hey, can you help me update all my software, or they have issues, slow computer and you or security, run this command and sort of walk away. You can do this one silent too. It was a bug that only the first one was silent, but I think it's fine. It's going to run by itself. So now it's going to start with put it fails. Now it's going to go to the next one, which was, I thought it would be Edge, but for some reason it went to Oracle. I don't know which order. It's probably going to take, them in another order, but Edge going to come there. So this is going to take some time. I'll fast forward this for you. So when I'm back, we'll see how many of these 10 who succeeded. Obviously, we know that Putty would fail. Okay, see you soon. Okay, there it's finished. Same, Slack is started. I can quit this one. Let's do WinGet Upgrade. So it was only Putty actually who failed. Strange, it says 9. What happened with Edge? Did Edge like update behind the scene? Nope. Interesting. So Putty failed. Terminal is success. I just need to close this one. Same for Slack is success. Why didn't it try Edge? Let me run that one separate. So WinGet Upgrade. I do the lazy one. I just do a ID not exact and see if it finds it. Newer version was found, but installed. Oh, it's different. So here, maybe I finally get to use the switch. So let's do -ID. Maybe this is the one who's going to save me in this video for the switch uninstall previous. That would be wonderful. Let's see if it works. If not, I'm not a big fan of this switch. So uninstall previous. Pretty good still for maybe 7 zip, because sometimes you see 2 entries, so it can be good. But yeah, less fan than I thought. Let's do one WinGet uninstall. That should work, I hope. And let's put Microsoft Edge. So we uninstall Edge. Can you uninstall Edge? You can't uninstall Edge. It's part of the system, right? Okay, so WinGet Upgrade, a bit weak on Microsoft Edge, but normally you don't use WinGet Upgrade that. But I thought I have done that in the past. Interesting. Can we do WinGet install ID? Well, it says it's already there, right? We'll see. How does it act if it's already there? Yeah, newer, but the installation is different. Okay, so those will not work. I mean, if I just start here and I go settings, help, and about, it's gonna update. Let me start Slack, and Slack should update because, well, it was updated. And let me close the terminal and then start it again, and we should be pretty good. It's updating Edge. I mean, this part is not a WinGet style. While that one run, terminal, I just want to come to a place where it's only Putty it failed. If we do a WinGet Upgrade, Edge is not finished. Should be 2, right? Putty and Edge. Yes, 2 update available. And this one is 100%. Any second now. I'm closing Slack again. Yeah, please restart. Okay. So now, if I run WinGet Upgrade, it should be only Putty who's missing. And Putty doesn't seem... I have upgraded Putty many times with WinGet, so I'm not sure exactly what the problem is here. Let me see if Putty even starts, or if I got a really... Yeah, starts good. I'll lazy, I do -- all, and see it fail again on Putty. Yeah. Okay. That would require some investigation. Could do other script, run the uninstall command from registry and such, but for some reason doesn't want to uninstall now. Okay, so still WinGet Upgrade, love it. It's so quick, so good to update the software on your machine. So excellent. Next video, let's do uninstall command. See you there.